Seville, Curly, pretty close on the line for third.
Oblique Seville, 9.91 seconds. I want to get your immediate reaction to that.
I'm very disappointed knowing that I could have run.
Welcome to Sports Circle 345, and let me say again, a happy 2025. Oblique Seville, the talented Jamaican sprinter, has been making a name for himself in the world of track and field, particularly in the 100 and the 200 meters. As far as approach for the 2025 track season, there are a few possible key aspects to consider based on the usual trend of elite sprinters and his current trajectory for him to shake off the injury he picked up at the 2024 Olympics, even though he managed a personal best of 9.81 seconds. With Seville mindset leading into the 2025 track season, these are some points that Seville would be working on. Training and participation. Leading into a major season like the 2025 track season, Seville is likely to focus heavily on his sprint mechanics, strength training, endurance. Jamaican sprinters typically follow a rigorous training schedule that includes speed work, explosive drills, weight training, and technique reinforcement. He may also work on his start and reaction time to further enhance his acceleration out of the blocks. Competition and goal. Seville will likely aim to improve his personal best of 9.81 seconds and also to improve his 20.17 seconds in the 200 meters and practically challenge for the top honors at the global meets such as World Championships or the 2025 World Athletics Finals that is coming up. His goals might also include securing top spots in the prestigious event like the Diamond Leagues, and there will be a few Diamond Leagues this year. Also the national trials that is coming up. He could also target a sub 9.7 seconds in the 100 meters and a sub 19.6 seconds in the 200 meters, pushing the limit of his performance. But in order for him to gain this, what should his mindset be? Mental preparation. Given his promised result and growing profile, Seville might also focus on mental conditioning. Elite sprinters at this level often work with sports psychologists to build focus, manage pressure, and enhance mental resilience for big moments on the track. Injury management, and this is very key for Seville because he has struggled in the past with numerous injuries from Carifta days up until the last Olympics. We have seen the fruit of that. Injury management. After dealing with an intense demand of competitive sprinting, injury prevention and recovery likely to be a significant part of Seville's approach. This includes managing load, recovery, physiotherapy, possibly engaging in alternative training methods to stay in peak condition. The conclusion of my argument is this: Seville has the potential to continue to build on his success and could be one of the key factors and figures in Jamaica's sprinting legacy moving forward. If he maintains his focus on training and recovery in the 2025 season, could see him achieving even greater accomplishments, and with good competition from the track and also from his teammate Kishane Thompson, is set for a mouth-watering, thrilling competition. I hope that all these athletes will be in tip-top shape and will be ready to go, because I know we will be entertained. Seville will do good. Seville is going to rise above the norm. I hope he can achieve his dreams and aspirations in 2025 season. God bless you. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like before you leave. God bless you.